Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see a simple yet delicious one-pot pasta recipe. So for that, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Into that 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain and 1 teaspoon heap of garlic. For this recipe I have taken 1 whole garlic and some chili flakes, and out of 2 medium sized onions chopped, we'll add half of it into this and saute well. 200 grams of boneless chicken. I had marinated with a little turmeric powder and pepper powder. Add salt to taste and pepper powder to taste. Saute well till it is cooked. Once it's cooked, add 200 grams or 2.5 cups of chopped cabbage. Saute well. Once it is cooked, we'll remove this into a bowl. Instead of chicken and cabbage, you can use any other veggies of your choice. Add a tablespoon of butter, 1 heaped teaspoon of garlic chopped. Saute well. Into this we'll add the remaining onion chopped. And here I have taken 5 medium sized tomatoes chopped. We'll blend it into a puree. Now we'll add chili powder according to taste and salt. Saute well, and into this we'll add the tomato puree. And now we'll cook this till it reduces. Add about half teaspoon of sugar. And now the tomato is cooked and reduced. Now into this we'll add the pasta. Here I have taken about 2 cups of pasta, and we'll pour hot water. The hot water should be just enough to cover the pasta, and then we'll close and cook. Now the pasta is done. Into this we'll add the prepared chicken and cabbage mix. Mix it well. Just taste and add the spices accordingly. I've added some salt, some oregano, pepper powder and some fresh basil leaves. Mix it well. Into this we can add some fresh cream to make it creamy. This is optional. If you like a creamy pasta, you can add some cream. And our pasta is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. Do try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.